So
to get a piece of it. It may not be as beautiful today because when it rains, it comes down very heavy and a little dirty.
greetings from a semi-overcast day today in Grenada. So today is a full day because it's my last day, my last full day here. So it's a lot of stuff planned. I don't have all the answers of what's planned, but I do know it's gonna be fun, and I'm going to a waterfall. So I'll catch you up in real time because that's what I know.